Anybody should come out and come and fight me. I am saying that Reggie was told. Yeah. I'm saying, you see the problem we have in the industry.
Black is not
it
poor.
Is not about, you see, let me tell you, ask yourself why I say rich men's children don't want their children to be musicians. Because see what you are saying here today. You are fighting something that you don't even know. You don't even know Sarkodie's account. And you are saying it.
But you don't know, you say he's poor.
I'm not saying him alone. No. Industry, no. You need be.
Okay. And dear, industry, say problem.
Your problem.
Of course.
So now let us go to government and tell them we need because we are poor.
No, but that's what.
No, but everybody. I bet Baku say abeng now. I bet Baku say abeng now.
Okay.
Oh,
that's it. What they say was saying you poor.
You need buy more.
Shatta, I confess as on one home.
Poleeno.com. But see, when it's serious matters, I say it's serious. Me, I don't sit down and people will be saying matters that I need to attack it seriously.
Yeah.
Then I'll be playing around with it. For instance, if I'm the brand or head manager or head CEO of maybe a bank, and you are messing up in a conference room, I'll be very furious because it is my business. If the industry helps us to make money, we'll all be happy.
Okay.
But if there are loopholes, and being cost it will let me always look funny. Because they've created a certain picture, and that is why I'll come back to the females. And this is what is worrying the females. Because they don't even know how, if somebody is making money or somebody is not making money. They don't know how this business goes about. And it is a problem that we need to address. So when I'm talking about music in Ghana, I get like, so a shame say, Obi Betumaga, like me, Papa Betumaga, say, only musicians are, they've sang songs, now, you see, as we are here, we know old musicians. When we hear them, that they are sick, they don't have money. And you see, when I'm not, and maybe Abeku is talking like this about Reggie and those old musicians, won't hear their Shatta
we've sat here and discussed this.
Don't talk for Sarkodie like he's okay. He doesn't have money more than Papa and so how much they did. But how much they has worked to get his royalties paid. Daddy Lumba has worked so much to get his royalties paid. I get what I'm saying. So if I'm talking about this thing, don't let us just generalize it to you are watching the youth, you are watching Sarkodie, Stone Boy. Let us think about the oldies, those who paved this way for us. Today, if it wasn't them, I would be on TV. Nobody will even know me as Shatta Wale. But they pay. See, when I hear some stories, shimmy. So when I'm talking about these things, people should leave me and let me talk about it because I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Mr. Wale.
Thank you.
Now, who can say your name there? You say you choose your friends.
Yeah, I don't make my friends choose me.
They don't choose you.
Yeah.
What makes you choose a friend?
Well,
a friend like Pope Skinny.
Well, okay. Cool, it's nice. I'll choose a friend like Pope Skinny because a friend of mine brought him into my life. You know, and before anytime any friend comes into my life, I give you like trials. What am I saying? Me bet me abeg gates na only person me nya down for check or gates na no because feeling me study be about you. I'm studying something about you. I'm trying to see who you are well. What am I saying? Because fine, what I know about myself. When I say it to you right now, Bedouin say BB, but the universe has something they call horoscope and astrology. People don't really know about that. And that is a know thyself spirit. It's only Muhua. You know that, okay, Nana Ma can be my friend, Arnold can be my friend.
And Pope Skinny was your friend?
He came to me through a friend, but you know, coming to
and can't say someone kind of know. I don't
coming to me as a friend, I expected him to appreciate, and I was very nice with him. If anybody will bear witness with me, now my friend Pope Skinny me charming. Maybe I go charming or charming. You know, life was good. Like, you know, we've traveled together. You know, we've enjoyed a whole lot of things. What am I saying? But it gets to a point where a friend says something that's deep in their hearts, and again, I'll bring God into this. That you know, in the eyes of God, you are lying. You see, sometimes I tell people are living life.
But he's been with you together, or chairman, think or chairman there, spokesperson.
Thank you very much.
Or Kasa. I think what he knows is what he's saying.
You see, when people want to justify their cases, they make it look like right now when we're talking about my video and Arnold was talking about it, copyright am I what am I saying?
Sometimes maybe sounds say you humanante America baby na na all of a sudden we can check Nansaya, no matter by. Say Popa Casa found.
But some say me, almost me, and they want to learn that attention type of nyama me, you know. But you see, I don't do it negatively. That's what I'm saying. What do I say? I don't go out there and just spread anything. I use tactics. What was because it's my business, and they think that Facebook. Me, I'm starting Facebook Live for the whole Ghana. I think because of me being a Facebook, we have Facebook Live. What am I saying? I want to say something to this. Yes, you know, I'm yeah, everything. Yes. I like that thing. Yes. You know what I'm just trying. What I'm just trying to say is that they don't really study who I am. I'm not like Nema being coming. What am I saying? Because I have a very good heart. You know, so if I have a problem, then maybe a friend of mine, this is a Pope Skinny. Now you want to spread negative news around me like that. I see like, where are you getting to? Because me, if I'm trying to attack a big Santana, I know that it will get me somewhere. You know, even your friend say, my father of OKF, very say, Kosi Abaji, Obe friend. Shatta, my sister only a big Santana. As he's talking to me, I'm preparing a song to hit there. What's my say? So when you are trying to spread negative news around me, where are you even trying to spread it to? Like, don't do that. We were once friends. We've enjoyed life together. See, problem now, but Pope Skinny say. So bet me abegina aka say meni no problem. Meni no problem. Time I make cars for my boys no hono. Meni me cousin and ye wo beef keke o. Me nya beef o. Why mistake and I meni no nya nkasa and I say o me park car no because most ejuma no ko mo nya nti obi am be park the car. Pope Skinny man can't just say be park o car. Who started say o tweet o kanema. And I know how to play that game. I got that attention. Today I've even made money out of that attention. What am I saying? So Sanya Mano concern, I was like, Pope, I don't have a problem with you. It is my brother that we had a problem. Like, me brother, and I'm catching brother say, come and park the cars. So come and park the cars. Wako catch you also with Shonyama. You know, and that.
Oh, brother Ben Wale, yeah.
No, my cousin Blade, your friend Blade. Yeah, you know, so it really got to me. Say, but Pope, we are me charming. Say, Bibia, Nana, Blade see also on my back park car. Nana, same with the saying, can want me beefy. But start to write things on Snap, say a whole lot of lies around me. And you see me, I still don't mind. And now today, if I even have a problem, he still wants to chip in something. Now be like, you know,
to get attention.
Oh yeah, sure. So we Pope Skinny BB Pantina. There be or two some no person or can be found.
Said in show, this is Ghana and Africa. Said in show, but you're saying fine sanction, in front of God that I worship, in front of the Lord that I believe in. Pope Skinny, I don't have a problem with him. That is what I'm giving to you. You see, my mama, Madame Foama, recently a militant here, me papa sending me video, be say, Ubuani Paji receipt.
That's what he just sent.
Okay, thank you very much. Ubuani Paji receipt. Because it's getting too much. My dad knows how soft I am. Me, I grew up with girls. My sisters, I don't have a boy in my family. William American, I am a cousin now. You know, he grew up like with us. So like what I said, my brother and Kasaba. I grew up with girls, so I have a soft heart. What am I saying? So if people go around saying all these things around me, maybe Pope Skinny see my Miami BB, Umbra house number what particular the media now I'm a beef we start here. What am I saying? So and I feel good to mention their names because I want to give them the opportunity to even create music. What am I saying? Because Pope Skinny we are madam for the way who the boy man. And also bet me about show make boy be. Ube koto make boy be. What am I saying? So he shouldn't even take it personal because I don't have a problem with him.
You don't have a problem.
Yeah.
Anyway, Shatta. You be pons say na one me the 1 hour can show no. And to me dad of was say
behind whoever is behind a Juma or you know, like for you like this, they forget the business. So when they're even talking, you're gonna you know, not person you know big boy, but me always catch me na meet you someone should have for prior amount. You know, so Obo really showed me that humbleness, and you know I give him that kudos because or me the way Nipa is on brown you know, so I learned that from him. So but you know when you check like most artists from certain camps, sometimes to make sure not me share interview, not me who say be artists way for camp or any camp where almost BB, and it's not their fault. They learned it from what they saw from wherever they went to learn how to come into this industry. So me I always say nyame and abua me na metumi hu the way to humble myself and respect so I can move on. Sometimes people say...
So you started on your own?
Yeah.
Without a manager?
Without a manager.